Hey everybody, Damien here with Best Care, continuing on with our explanation of some of our new products in our care line. Really excited to be sharing with you the SA182. There's actually two versions of this product that are going to be available. The SA182, which is a 400-pound capacity, and the SA228, which is a 500-pound capacity. What makes it really exciting for us is these units will be able to start off as hydraulic units or manual units at a very competitive price. But if the customer decides that they want to upgrade the system, they can simply buy a kit that will allow them to convert this unit to electric. The kit involves an electric motor, a battery, a control box, hand control, and charger that can be retrofitted to the frame and convert the system to electric. The unit is really small, so it's designed to fit in very tight spaces. The SA182 and SA228, the base opens up with a lever on the back of the lift to open and close the base. The foot pedal is narrow, goes between the wheelchair wheels easily. It can be removed if necessary. The knee brace adjusts in and out and is a single foam contoured piece for the knees. In the manual mode or the hydraulic mode, we have a handle that we can pump on the side that brings the lift up and down. And to lower the lift in the manual mode, we just open up the valve and the lift will lower the patient down gently. Now let me show you how we can make a transfer with the SA182 from the chair to the bed.